welcome back. We're in section 3.4. We've also got just like we had a one-to-one property of exponents, we have the same thing for logarithmic functions. What that means is if you've got log of the same base equal to another log of the same base, then the arguments have to be equal to each other. So in order to see that, for example, number 3, we've got to make this into one log here. So I'm going to leave log base 4, x alone for a second, and I'm going to combine these guys. And remember, if we're adding two logs together, what do we do when we condense them? We multiply them, so 3 times x minus 2. And now since the log has the same base on either side, this is x is equal to 3 times x, 3 times negative 2. Going this way, I'd have x minus 3x would be negative 2x, divided by negative 2, negative 6 divided by negative 2 is 3. All right, for b, it's already set up to where I've got log base 3 is equal to log base 3, so this is just x squared plus 3 is equal to 52. I've got a quadratic but no middle term, so I'm going to solve this by taking the square root. Subtracting 3 from both sides, 52 minus 3 would be 49. Taking the square root, it is an even root, so that is going to be not 7, but plus or minus 7. And they both work in this case. All right, you try. The bases are the same, so the arguments have to be the same. 2x is equal to x squared minus x plus 2. This is a quadratic equation with a middle term, so I'm going to get it set equal to 0 and solve it by factoring if I can. So x squared, x minus 2x, it would be negative 3x. Two numbers that multiply to get to 2, add up to negative 3 would be negative 2 and negative 1. So x is equal to 2, and x is equal to 1. All right, for b, we're going to have to do a little bit of work on our right-hand side here. We're going to make this one log. So leave the left-hand side alone for a second. We're adding these logs together. So we multiply the arguments. X times 4 would be 4x. So x plus 3 is equal to 4x. Subtracting an x, I get 3 is equal to 3x. Dividing by 3, x is equal to 1. All right, moving on to example number 4. It says solve each equation round to the nearest hundredth. So for this guy, can I turn 13 into some base of 4? I cannot do that, not without a calculator, right? Which is the whole reason why we have logs. But so 4 to the x is equal to 13. What I want to do to this is take the log of both sides or put it in logarithmic form. So what I mean by put it in logarithmic form, remember, we're going to go backwards from what we did before. Log base 4 of 13 is equal to x, right? Let's go the other way. 4 to the x is equal to 13. Same thing here. Log of 4 of 13 is equal to x. So no matter whether you're doing exponential form or logarithmic form, it's always a counterclockwise circle. All right, and so that's what we're going to put into our calculator is log base 4 of 13, and that's 1.85. All right, so this guy here would be log base e of 6 is equal to 4 minus 3x, right? So this is really natural log of 6 is equal to 4 minus 3x, and we want to solve this guy for x. So the natural log of 6 minus 4, does that mean it's natural log of 2? No, remember these guys cannot be combined. It's equal to negative 3x, divide by negative 3. This is what we plug into our calculator here, and you should get x is equal to 0.74. All right, for 8, I have log base 8 of 0.165 is equal to y. It's a matter of just plugging that guy into your calculator, and you'll get negative 0.87. For b, before I put this into logarithmic form, I need to take the guy that doesn't have an exponent and move it over. So this 1.43 to the A is equal to 8.48 minus 3.1 would be 8.17. All right, and then log base 1.43, base of the exponent is base of the log, is equal of 8.17 is equal to A. So what you're putting in your calculator is log base 1.43 of 8.17, and it should spit out 4.70 to you. And then finally, this is log base E, or natural log of 12 is equal to the exponent, which is 2 plus 5w. Subtract that 2, so natural log of 12 minus 2, it would be 5w. Finally, to get w by itself, we divide by 5. So what you put into your calculator is natural log of 12 minus 2 divided by 5, and that's 0.10. And that's it for example number 4. I'm out of time, so tomorrow I will make you 2 more videos, one for 5 and 6 and one for 7 and 8. You guys have a great night.